Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy KrazyTeeTP. I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your spelling checker program on the script using Python and the text blob. So the very first thing that you'll need to do, obviously, you'll need to go to your terminal command prompt. Then after that, you'll need to say pip install, then text blob, then say enter. Then wait for some couple of seconds or minutes up until it is popping up as it is popping up, as you can see, guys. So it is saying requirement already satisfied. So what does this mean? So actually I've already installed this text blob module, so that is why it is showing this requirement already satisfied. But in your case, this won't be appearing. Then after that, I'll just say from okay, I made some, let me save as I made some, it's .py. Yeah, open it. Do you want to replace? Yes. Okay, from text blob you wanna import the text blob class. Then after that, okay, let us create our name variable. Then let's set it to, let me say, honey. As you can see, guys, this is like HONY. There's no E for honey, so we are going to try to correct this weight. Okay, then after that, let's say to correct equals to text blob. Then you wanna pass in this name. Then after that, you wanna say to correct dot correct. Then let us say print this variable. Then Control S, Control P. Okay, something is wrong. I don't know what's going on. Okay, it's dot correct. Okay, I forgot some parentheses over here. Then Control B. Okay, oh, it is saying holy. Okay, let me try another word and see. Wow, I think I've ran out of words. Okay, let me see. Let me say a time as in a and TME. Then Control B. Okay, let us wait and see. Oh, it is saying virtue. Oh my god. Okay, let me try another word and see. Okay, it's password. Okay, let me, okay, I've taken out this A and O over here. Okay, it's Control, oh my god, I'm sorry, it's Control B. Let us wait and see. Okay, finally we've got some correct weight which we are looking for. Up here it is PWS, then WRD, then down here it is saying password. Okay, it is working properly. Okay, now it is time for me to show you how to do this on maybe like on a couple of words in a list or so. Okay, let me say names. Then let me put this, let me wrap with this square brackets, and let me say car. Okay, let me say name. Okay, it's fine for now. Okay, let us create a to correct empty list. Oh god, you need to say empty list. Then after that, really you say for name in names. What is it that I wanna do? Okay, I wanna to correct, then dot append this text blob with this name. Okay, then after that, what I need to do is, okay, for wait in to correct list, what I want to do with the each and every of word in our to correct list, I want to print to correct, oh my god, to correct dot correct, then with parentheses. Let's not forget parentheses. Then let me say Control P and see what's going on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry guys, it shouldn't be to correct list here, it should be wait. Okay, and wait and see. So it is saying password or then me. It is working, guys, even though it is not giving us some accurate words that we are looking for. So let me try and say, okay, import with no R. Then let me say correct with one R. Then let me say Control P and see what's going to happen. Okay. Oh, this is what I've been looking for. It is saying password for this PWSWRT, then import for import with no R, but here it says import, then correct, which is correct. So yeah, this is it, guys. So this is the module that you need to pip install, then you need to work with it, because this module is kind of like good, so I really love it. It's great. So yeah, this was the video, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.